Welcome to the best picks. The best water flossers is probably one of the most innovative and effective tools you can add to your oral hygiene routine, offering a powerful yet gentle way to blast away plaque and debris from those hard-to-reach areas that traditional brushing and flossing often miss, ensuring a cleaner, healthier smile with every use. Number 5. Waterpik Aquarius Countertop Water Flosser WP660. Meet the Waterpik Aquarius, your new partner for superior oral hygiene. It's designed to elevate your daily gum health and provide a thorough clean. Experience a personalized clean with 10 distinct pressure settings. You can easily adjust it to find the perfect level of comfort and effectiveness for your needs. This device comes with 7 specialized tips to address various oral care needs. Whether it's for braces, implants, or general teeth cleaning, there's a tip for everyone. It's an ideal solution for those with dental braces or implants, ensuring a deep clean that traditional brushing can miss. Achieve healthier gums and a brighter smile effortlessly. Clinically proven and ADA accepted, it effectively removes plaque and debris. Improve your gum health significantly with regular use. Designed for convenience, it's simple to operate and suitable for multiple users in the household. Enjoy a professional level clean every day. What we like. This model offers a wide range of customization with its 10 pressure settings and 7 specialized tips. It's perfect for achieving optimal gum health and thorough cleaning. If you need a highly adaptable and effective tool for daily home use, especially for dental work like braces or implants, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Water Flosser has multiple pressure settings, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. It effectively removes food particles and plaque from between teeth and along the gum line. The compact and cordless design makes it convenient for travel and use in small bathrooms. Number 4. COSLUS ADA Accepted C20 Water Dental Flosser. Introducing the COSLUS ADA Accepted C20 Water Dental Flosser, your solution for superior oral hygiene. Its large tank and portable design make it perfect for home or travel. Experience a thorough clean that reaches where brushing can't. This device is designed to be gentle yet effective, promoting healthier gums with every use. With its rechargeable and cordless design, maintaining your oral health has never been easier. It's ideal for anyone, including those with orthodontic appliances or sensitive gums. The larger 300 ml tank means fewer refills and uninterrupted cleaning. Enjoy a more convenient and efficient flossing experience. Achieve a professional level clean from the comfort of your home or on the go. This oral irrigator is your perfect travel companion for a confident smile. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for optimal oral hygiene. It's suitable for the whole family and professional use. What we like. With its larger 300 ml tank, you can enjoy extended flossing sessions without frequent refills. This cordless device is also designed for portability, making it ideal for travel. If you're looking for a convenient and long-lasting option for both home and travel, especially if you have orthodontic appliances or sensitive gums, this one is a great fit. What people say. The Water Flosser is very effective at removing food particles and plaque from between teeth and along the gum line. It has multiple pressure settings, allowing users to customize the intensity for a comfortable and thorough cleaning experience. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, making it convenient to maneuver around the mouth. Number 3. Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. Introducing the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser, your solution for a cleaner, healthier smile. This portable device offers a superior clean, easily reaching areas traditional brushing misses. With 4 distinct modes and 11 pressure settings, you can tailor your oral hygiene routine precisely to your needs. Achieve optimal comfort and effectiveness with every use. Its cordless and rechargeable design makes it perfect for use anywhere, from your bathroom to your travels. Enjoy the convenience of deep cleaning without being tied to an outlet. The fully waterproof construction ensures safe and easy cleaning under the tap. You can confidently use it in the shower for an even more streamlined experience. Equipped with 5 specialized tips, it effectively cleans braces, implants, and hard-to-reach areas. Achieve a dentist-level clean from the comfort of your home. Invest in your oral health with this advanced dental flosser. Experience the difference it makes in maintaining a bright and healthy smile for years to come. What we like. This cordless irrigator provides a high degree of control with 4 distinct modes and 11 pressure settings. It's also IPX7 waterproof and rechargeable, making it very user-friendly. If you prioritize deep cleaning, especially for braces, and appreciate the convenience of a portable, waterproof device for travel or home use, consider this option. What people say. The Water Flosser is very effective at removing food particles and plaque. It has multiple pressure settings, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any bathroom. Number 2. AquaSonic Home Dental Center Pro Black Series Pro Plus. Introducing the AquaSonic Home Dental Center Pro. Experience a revolutionary way to achieve a cleaner, healthier smile right at home. This advanced oral care system simplifies your routine. Effortlessly combine brushing and flossing for superior results. It features a powerful sonic toothbrush and an effective water flosser. Together, they provide a comprehensive clean that reaches every corner. Achieve noticeably whiter teeth and promote healthier gums with regular use. Its dual action tackles plaque and improves gum health. The Black Series Pro Plus Oral Irrigator is designed for ultimate performance. Elevate your oral hygiene with this all-in-one dental solution. What we like. This is a comprehensive oral care system that combines both brushing and flossing in one device. It aims to deliver whiter teeth and healthier gums efficiently. If you're looking for a streamlined routine that tackles both brushing and flossing simultaneously for maximum oral health benefits, this integrated solution is worth considering. What people say. It has multiple pressure settings for a customized clean. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several uses on a single charge. Comes with various nozzle attachments for different cleaning needs. Number 1. 2-to-1 Oral Clean Kit. Experience a revolutionary approach to your oral hygiene. This innovative kit combines essential tools for a superior clean. Achieve a deeper clean than ever before with its advanced brushing and flossing capabilities. It effectively removes plaque and debris. Invest in your smile's future. This device is designed to significantly improve your gum health with regular use. Simplify your routine with this all-in-one solution. It provides comprehensive care for your teeth and gums. Its elegant black finish complements any bathroom. Enjoy powerful performance in a stylish package. What we like. This kit offers a powerful 2-in-1 solution, integrating an electric toothbrush with a water flosser. It's designed for effective teeth cleaning and gum health improvement. If you want to simplify your oral hygiene routine by combining two essential tools into one, and you're looking for a convenient way to achieve better cleaning results, this combo is a smart choice. What people say. The water flosser has multiple pressure settings, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. It comes with several interchangeable nozzle tips, each designed for specific cleaning needs. The large water reservoir provides ample capacity for a full cleaning session without frequent refills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.